inputs coming in at this point in time. A massive political twist unfolding in Karnataka with senior Congress leader R.V. Deshpande virtually confirming that Chief Minister Siddaramaiah may be on his way out. In a stunning statement, Deshpande has said that Chief Minister has decided to step down and could even resign as early as tomorrow. These remarks, in fact, have sent shockwaves through the Congress camp and dramatically intensified speculation of an imminent power shift in the state. Listen into what he said.
CM has already decided to resign. Understand? So, I think he may resign tomorrow.
So, what's the other MLA's opinion, sir?
MLAs who are there here wanted him to continue. But he said, I have given a word to High Command. I have to respect that word.
Let's go across to Imran for more on this. Imran, a big statement there coming in from R.V. Deshpande because officially nobody has said that Siddaramaiah is actually going to step down. This is the first biggest hint that we've got.
Well, yes, R.V. Deshpande is a very senior minister of the Congress party. He has been the PWD and Industries ministers for at least 20 years. And he is also someone, one would say the original Congress leader, the tallest leader who's there as for the old branch, as old as the Kharge Sahab. And then it's ACC president. Now, he's come out what was there known, it is now officially, he's given a bite that CM is resigning tomorrow. And he will, after breakfast, like we've been saying earlier, after breakfast, he's likely to tender he'll tender his resignation. Now it's coming from a very senior leader's mouth it's a confirmation on camera. One would say in the journalistic parley that he's a confirmation on camera that he is willing to tender his resignation. In fact, many of the senior leaders there who were there had met him, asked him not to give the resignation and to seek some more time with the High Command. But CM is in no mood. He said that he doesn't want to antagonize KC Venugopal and Rahul Gandhi. He'll keep up his word. He's always said if Rahul Gandhi asks him to step down, he will step down and he will do exactly just that. And he will also not go to Delhi as High Command is persuading him to come to Delhi. And in fact, as we speak now, Surjewala is also had come to meet Chief Minister there. My colleague Neha was also telling you that, that he is, come to meet CM. In fact, he's asking him again to come to Delhi, whether he can be a CWC member or to Rajya Sabha. But CM has flatly refused, saying that he's not coming to Delhi. He will, take a step back and be just an MLA and work for the party or for the larger Hindak base in Karnataka. But the CLP meeting will be called on Friday, and that's where this year's Chief Minister will be announced along with the party president.
Right. Stay on with us. In fact, viewers, now it looks, pretty certain that there is going to be a change of guard in Karnataka very soon. After the marathon meetings in the national capital, the action has now shifted back to Karnataka, where the decision is likely to be announced formally tomorrow. It's clear that the decision has already been taken. It has been conveyed to the leaders who should know about the key decisions, and it will be formally perhaps communicated tomorrow. Now, the Congress is said to have asked Siddaramaiah to step down and make way for a new leader in the state. So finally, after a long wait, it looks like the decks have been cleared for DK Shivkumar to become the Chief Minister of Karnataka. Randeep Singh Surjewala, the Karnataka in charge, is going to be in Bengaluru tomorrow as well. In fact, he's going to be there for at least 2-3 days, where he's going to convey the High Command's decision. While Siddaramaiah has returned to Bengaluru, DK Shivkumar has stayed back in the national capital to get a clearance from the High Command for cabinet reshuffle. But what really happened in the meeting with Rahul Gandhi, and what are the moves the Congress party is making to placate Siddaramaiah? That's the big question. And before we tell you about that, the inside scoop that we've got, here's the first reaction of Siddaramaiah, where he refused to confirm that he may resign tomorrow.
ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಹೇಗೆ ಏನು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ?
ನಾಳೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ನಾಳೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಸರ್? ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಹೇಗೆ ಏನು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ?
ನಾಳೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ನಾಳೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಸರ್?